There are hundreds of thousands of web hosts, and most meet the WordPress basic requirements. Today, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your hosting in just over 2 minutes. It's that easy. But first, since choosing a host can be difficult, I'm going to show you specifically what one thing to look for if you're going to be following along with this video series about building your own WordPress website. This video is about the basics in establishing your first WordPress website. I use Better Web Business for everything that I purchase in regards to domains and hosting and SSLs and the lot. That's up to you where you want to purchase it, but I do recommend that you get cPanel because it's the easiest way to work on the back end of the hosting of your website. So here's where you would type in your domain name and search to find. But let's go look at hosting. cPanel. Now you can get started with a single website. 30 gigs of storage is not very much. It's $1.85 per month. Economy is $5.99. cPanel Deluxe. I would recommend you get the cPanel Economy or cPanel Deluxe to start out with. With the Deluxe version, you have the capability of up to 25 databases, which means you could have multiple WordPress websites in this one hosting package. Once your site is established and growing, you will probably need to upgrade from any of these packages, which is why I'm now on the business package, which isn't listed on this page, but it is cPanel. The more you have on your hosting, the more you upload images, documents, install plugins, and such, the more drain on the resources, which will slow down the load speed of your web pages, cause crashes, and downtime. But it's easy to upgrade later before things get to that point. I personally had the cPanel Deluxe, and I had 12 websites. I also do AdSense websites and online courses and things like that. It kept going down, so I stepped up the business package. So anyway, I would recommend you either get this one or this one. Then once you buy it, let me log into my account. I'll be right back with you. Okay, so once you log into your account, you'll go hover over your little icon here, select My Product, which I was already on, and go to, as you can see I have a lot in here, web hosting, manage. Now you have to click again to go to your cPanel. And we want to go to Installatron applications. These are all my websites, and then we're going to Applications Browser, WordPress. And we'll click on Install this application. So I'll just call it Example. And all of this, oh, and I have a Secure SSL, so we wanted to go under that. And I just leave these alone. Assign your administrator username, your email. You'll never find that one, so put in your email, your primary email, so you get all the notifications. Oh, example. And you'll want to change this. But I don't know what to put in it right now, so we'll just put UN admin 22. That'll work. And then copy it. And I put it in a notepad and then I check the password, and I just usually take what they have, copy it, put it in here, and all the rest is good, and then we hit install. Okay, so that is installed. What we're going to do next is click on the WP admin, and we are already logged in because we clicked on it from there.